If Chrome is freezing on you and one tab is completely unresponsive, don't worry, you do not have to close the entire browser. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to force close just the stuck tab in Chrome so you can get back to work without losing everything else. This is a super useful trick if a page is frozen, not loading, or using way too many resources. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to open Chrome Task Manager. If you're on Windows or ChromeOS, press Shift and ESC on your keyboard. That shortcut opens Chrome's built-in Task Manager right away. If you're on a Mac, click Window in the top menu bar, then choose Task Manager from the list. You can also open it from Chrome's three-dot menu in the top right corner. Just click the three vertical dots, hover over More Tools, and then select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of everything Chrome is running in the background. This includes tabs, extensions, and other processes. Now look carefully for the tab that has frozen. The name of the page should usually appear in the list, so scan through until you find the tab that's causing the problem. If you have a lot of tabs open, it can help to click the CPU or memory column headers. Sorting by the highest usage makes it much easier to spot the tab that's dragging everything down. When you find the Unresponsive tab, click on it once to highlight it. Make sure you select the correct row, especially if you have multiple similar tabs open. After that, go to the bottom right corner and click the blue End Process button. This forces Chrome to shut down that specific tab without closing your whole browser session. Right after you do that, Chrome will usually show an "Aw, snap" message on that tab. That's completely normal. It just means the tab has been terminated and is no longer running. To bring it back, simply click Reload. Chrome will refresh the page and try loading it again from scratch. If the page freezes again after reloading, the issue may be with the website itself, a bad extension, or too many open tabs competing for memory. In that case, try closing a few unnecessary tabs, disabling suspicious extensions, or restarting Chrome entirely. But in most cases, using Chrome Task Manager is the fastest way to kill a single stuck tab without affecting your other work. So, to recap, the steps are simple. Open Chrome Task Manager, find the frozen tab, end the process, and reload the page. It's quick, safe, and one of the best little troubleshooting tricks to know when Chrome stops responding. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.